AI Finance Daily, where artificial intelligence meets your money. Here's something worth your next 5 minutes. AI and the labor market. Which jobs are actually disappearing and which are growing? Look, I'm going to tell you something that might shock you. We're tracking 174,000 new AI-related job postings right now. Not next year. Not in some hypothetical future. Right now. And that number is growing 22% month over month. Everyone's running around screaming about AI killing jobs. But they're missing the bigger picture. This is exactly what happened with the internet in '95. People thought e-commerce would destroy retail jobs. Instead, it created entirely new categories of work we couldn't even imagine. Here's what's actually happening. AI is creating a massive labor force realignment. Yes, some jobs are going away. But for every job AI eliminates, it's creating 1.7 new positions. I've been saying this for months. This isn't a zero-sum game. Let me break down where the real opportunity is. First, we're seeing an explosion in AI training and oversight roles. These aren't just for PhDs anymore. We need people who understand both the business context and the technical capabilities. Think AI operations managers, prompt engineers, AI safety specialists. Second, there's what I call the AI transformation layer. Every major company needs people who can integrate AI into existing workflows. This isn't replacing workers. It's augmenting them, making them 10x more productive. The people who can orchestrate this transformation, they're making absolute bank right now. Third, and this is the one nobody's talking about, the infrastructure play. AI needs massive computing power, cooling systems, specialized chips. TSMC can't hire engineers fast enough. NVIDIA's building new facilities. The physical backbone of AI requires an entire workforce we're just starting to build out. But here's the really interesting part. And this is where you need to pay attention if you care about your financial future. The salary differential between AI literate and AI illiterate workers is already hitting 35%. That gap is going to become a chasm. Think about what happened to workers who never learned to use computers. Now, multiply that by 1,000. That's what we're looking at here. This isn't just another tool. It's a fundamental reorganization of how value is created in the economy. The good news? The barriers to entry are lower than you think. You don't need a computer science degree. You need to understand how to work with AI systems, how to prompt them, how to integrate them into workflows. These are learnable skills. Let me be crystal clear about something. The highest paying jobs in the next decade will go to people who can bridge the gap between AI capabilities and real-world business problems. Not to the people who can code the models, to the people who can deploy them effectively. We're seeing this play out in real time. Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, Microsoft, they're all retraining their entire workforces. They're not doing this for fun. They're doing it because they see where this is going. Here's your wake-up call. You have maybe 24 months to get on the right side of this transition. After that, the gap becomes much harder to close. The people who are investing in AI skills right now, they're going to be your bosses in 5 years. And look, I get it. Change is scary. Learning new skills takes time. But you know what's scarier? Being on the wrong side of the biggest technological transformation in human history. Let me leave you with this. Every major platform shift in technology has created massive wealth for people who moved early and adapted. The internet, mobile, cloud computing, they all followed this pattern. AI isn't just another platform shift. It's bigger than all of them combined. The jobs aren't disappearing. They're transforming. And right now, you have a choice. You can be part of that transformation, or you can be transformed by it. The clock is ticking. The opportunity is right in front of you. What are you going to do about it? AI Finance Daily. Thanks for listening. If this episode was useful, send it to one person who needs to hear it.